Here's another shot from opposite Soi 8. No boats. What a great sight. No boats and not thousands of Chinese waiting to board them. Not much beach left. The tide is as high as I've ever seen it. Quite cool. It's Australia Day, January 26th. Yesterday morning was the coldest morning I've ever felt walking here in Pattaya Beach. I'm guessing it might have been around 15-16 degrees. Not so bad this morning, but still cool. As you can see from the ties, they're all rugged up, beanies and parkas. Doing the housekeeping. These can be considered big waves for Pattaya. I might have to go home and pull out the boogie board. There's the controversial building